the Lypertek Tevi True Wireless Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at the Lypertek Tevi True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with a user guide, USB-C charging cable, and small, medium, large ear tips. The Tevi features 10 hours of listening time, 70 hours with the case, at about 50% volume. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, Qualcomm chipset, and has aptX AAC SBC codec. It also uses CVC 8.0 technology for noise reduction. It has button controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The case has a capsule design to it and it's lined with a fabric material, very similar to the Sennheiser Momentum case. And on the top you have the Lypertek logo. On the side it has a carrying strap. On the front of the case you will find the charge status LEDs. And on the back you have the USB-C port for charging. The lid is nice and tight and has a snap to it. It uses magnets along with the earbuds to secure them into place. The earbuds are easy to remove from the case and you can also see the ear indicators etched in inside. The earbuds have a simple design to it and it's plastic all around. And the button controls are on the outside with a chrome accent around the button. You can see the ear indicators marked inside. Each of the earbuds feature button control, LED, microphone, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. And here they are side by side. As mentioned, these utilize the button controls, and it's a matter of pressing a few times to get the desired playback and call controls. They are detailed in the user guide. The case comes in at 3.3 by 1.6 by 1.5 inches. It weighs in at 58 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 10 grams. Now for some music samples, followed by a microphone sample. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Lypertek Tevi True Wireless Earbuds microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The earbuds can also be used individually, left or right side. Pairing was instant and I had no issues. Testing video on an iOS device, I didn't experience any noticeable latency. This may vary depending on your device and apps used. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Lypertek Tevi earbuds, and sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. Starting off with comfort, I found them to be just okay. It didn't seat too easily for me and it required a bit of twisting to get the snug fit. And there were a few occasions where I had to readjust to get it seated properly. The button controls were responsive and it didn't take that much effort to navigate. They stayed into place while running, but not as secure as I would like them to be. Build-in quality is pretty much in line with the earbuds that I have reviewed at this price point. I'm not really a big fan of the fabric lining on the case, as the long-term durability may become an issue, and the leather strap is something I can do away with. The earbuds' ergonomic design could have been a bit better for a snug fit. They do protrude out quite a bit and I would have liked to seen a lower profile. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the lows, there is a definite good amount of kick. The bass is very prominent and it gives you those deep sounds. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and I found that there was really good separation. It doesn't get muddy or drowned out. Vocals really stood out for me and it's very crisp. As you heard from the music samples, you can hear what really stands out. Overall, these are in line with the earbuds that I have reviewed with deep bass. It has its pluses and minuses as I have mentioned. Having said that, I feel these do have terrific value, coming in at under $100. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.